my brother, we are at Garage Yoshida right now, and here's Yoshida Sensei right here. We are looking at your Bayside Blue GTR 34. The work's just about to get started, right, Sensei? So we are going to, the works is just about to get started, just so that you understand. Scheduling and confirmations, everything took a little bit of time. So as you can see, this is your car with the engine room basically opened up, bonnet and fenders, everything taken out. So one of the things that we definitely recommend here is when you get the full paint done, of course, こちら全塗装で先生、こちらは塗る予定でした。塗りますよね。こっちの方。下塗るならここも持ち上げた方が綺麗ですよね。そうですね。下回りもやった方がいいですよね。今から見たら多分絶対やった方がいいって言うと思う。了解しました。多分やってもらうと思います。お願いします。So you're getting the. I definitely think while your car is here at the shop, you might want to get the engine room restoration and refreshment done as well. Because man, they're just getting the work started. It's perfect time to do that. And if you're interested, Yoshida Sensei, he's recommending the Underbody restorations as well. Get it refreshed. Maybe we can get the batch as well, right, Sensei? バッチも作ってくるでしょうね。明日も塗装やってもらってはね。So the point is, Rick, I want you to understand that when Nissan manufactured those cars, what they did is that they did not repaint those panels. Can you see that? The fender interior panels to lower the cost of the car at the time of manufacture. That's why this thing is, you see the bolt areas, strut tires are perfectly fine condition, but bolt areas gets rusty over time really fast. But if you get this repainted as well, and once we get that repainted as well, it's going to be a 3-layer coating, painting, and it's going to be a lot more sturdier, looking so much more better. So JDM Master's here, Abdul the Master here himself.
How you doing, buddy? How's things?
Want to recommend you a few things, Rick?
All right, mate. Since the car is here, it's at Garage Yoshida, the best workshop we have in Japan. It's on the hoist. It's going to get stripped. So why don't you do this while you're here? Number one, the live valves. These recommend to be cleaned up and changed if it needs to be changed. Also, these support here for the bar. Also, I noticed that your headlights could do with a change if it's on your menu. Depends how good you want to go on this car. Definitely what Dustan said, we recommend you get it repainted here and cleaned up.
Yeah.
Also, Dustan, underbody refurbishment will be great. This car, just remember, it's 25 years old now. Nissan didn't make them to last for 25 years. Obviously, they've gone up in price. And since you're doing the work, might as well get it all done properly, man. It's worth the money. In Japan, they're professionals in what they're doing. Thank you, Chacha. In Japan, they're professional in what they do. So certain rubbers we can change, nuts and bolts here can be changed as well. You don't want to do this while you're in the States, man. You're going to rip out the front bar altogether, even to change your headlights. So recommendation, you can do it if you like. Things which is a bit rusted or needs to be changed, go for it and change it while it's at Yoshida.
Awesome. And of course, we can get everything done as we are just about to get the work started. So there's a light rust, and that happens to a lot of cars, GTR 34. So if you get that restored, this thing is gonna look beautiful. I'll send you some other Bayside Blue cars restorations done with the Yoshida Sensei here at Garage Yoshida, just so that you can compare the works. Then Rick, definitely this is the exhaust, the Shanitsuban, the exhaust shield cover, right? ここでも交換した方がいいですよね、先生。Nissan still sells it brand new, easy to replace it. VSPEC diffuser, we are restoring your VSPEC diffuser, so we will get that restoration done as well.
Yeah, definitely recommend changing these. You can still get them brand new. They're not expensive, but it makes a huge difference to the car.
Awesome.
So I think take advantage while the car's at Yoshida to get it worked on. This is what I'll do with all the cars.
Beautiful.
And good luck with it, man. Beautiful car.
先生頼みますね。
OK。サビは出てますけど全然コンディションが悪い車じゃないです。なんなら何も塗られてなくていい状態だと思うんで、非常にいいベース車両です。これを綺麗に仕上げてやればすごくいい車になると思います。
Rick, you hear that, my brother? Your car is, pretty good condition, but that definitely needs a little bit of work to make it like one of its kind, very beautiful GTR 34 VSPEC in the United States once you receive it. This is a recommendation for you, my friend. Let's be in touch, and we'll follow up with you with further recommendations on other things that might come up on your base blue GTR 34. And Yoshida Sensei here at Garage Yoshida will be working on your car personally, so stay tuned, my brother. Right, Sensei? Few words for Rick.
OK これから綺麗に仕上げるんで任せてください
Cheers, brother.
Show you before and after.
So, Rick, for your information, this is another
another
GTR
restored car.
34, just been restored by Yoshida Sensei here at Garage Yoshida. This is how it looks once that works
And have
are
a look at
done.
the valves.
You see the valves?
Yep.
And you see the eyelet for the headlights. It looks beautiful. And why not do the same for your car as well? This is gonna look awesome after. That's the recommendation by the JDM Masters himself, right, Master?
Yes.
By the way,
Take advantage of the cars here.
awesome. By the way, guys, whoever watching this movie, this is our active red GTR 34, man. Abdul, you remember this car, brother?
Yes, was picked up by Yoshida.
Sensei just a few days ago, and we are about to get a special work started on this beautiful GTR 34.
This will be something else once it's done.
Very special.
Very rare
Andrew,
color this time. It's hard to come by these days.
definitely, brother.
And after it's gonna get done, it's gonna be something else.
Ladies and gents, this thing is gonna get completely restored. Anything and everything that you can think of on the car: exterior, engine room compartment, trunk room compartment, underbody restorations, Nismo bushings, Nismo arms, and everything will be installed on the car, powder coatings, and of course all the bits and pieces of all those plastics, the cowl top cover, wipers, the arms, those plastics, everything will be changed, the pillar garnish and everything. And it's gonna look one of its kind GTR 34 once everything is done. So stay tuned to check out this beautiful GTR 34 turn out to become extraordinarily special one with full Nismo arrows and everything scheduled on the car.